Hello everyone and welcome back to another video guys. This is Benard choice. If you're using WhatsApp mode and you're facing the error you need the official WhatsApp to use this account while you sign up, this means your number is detected that you're using WhatsApp mode. In today's video, I'll show you two different ways to solve this problem. So without much being said, let's begin. So here guys, on the first method, you need to go ahead and open your browser. Open the browser that you normally use. Now you in the search bar, just type in WhatsApp help. And then you search on it. So guys, click the second link, contact WhatsApp, tap on that. So here under WhatsApp Messenger support, you click on that link that says contact us, tap on that link, and then you land here. You've been required to submit your phone number linked to your WhatsApp account. You also submit an active email address and to state which device you're using on your WhatsApp. So you select one. Now here under please enter your message below. You should have a message that looks like this. And remember guys, you'll find the link to this message in the description box below. You can check it from there and download it. And after submitting that, you tap on the next step button and automatically WhatsApp support team will intervene and help you fix this issue. Now here in the second method, guys, you've been required to uninstall WhatsApp mode and the original WhatsApp. Make sure you uninstall both of them, and then you go ahead and open your Play Store application or Apple Store application, and then make sure you search for WhatsApp Business and install it guys in your device. Now after installing this application, then go ahead and try and activate your number. With those two methods guys, you'll be able to fix this problem, or if you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. So that's it for me today. So if you find value today's video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and turn notification bell icon for more useful videos. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.